Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Raihan Putra Rustandi, usually called Raihan. In this occasion, I will discuss the topic of basketball. Apart from football, basketball is one of the most popular sport in the world. Including in Indonesia, it's so popular that you might often find basketball courts almost every school and sport hall. Basketball competition, both local, national, and international, are also increasingly behind being held. In Indonesia itself, there are various tournaments, championship, and league at various levels, such as high school, student, and professional level. The sport of basketball was first created in 1891 by Dr. James Naismith, a sport teacher from Canada. At that time, James taught a college in Springfield. At the time, James Naismith had to play sports game in a closed room. The aim is to fill students' free time during winter holidays. Then he has inspired by a game played as a child in Canada. Then the game of basketball was created on December 15, 1891. In theory, the sport of basketball often meet with opposition from many people. They considered this basketball game to be too hard and not such able to be played in classroom. Before James Naismith finally created the basic rules for playing basketball. The definition of basketball, of course, refers to the game of putting the ball into the opponent's basket. The definition of basketball is a sport that can be played on an open field, outdoor, or a closed space, indoor. Usually, basketball games are played on a 28.5 x 50-meter court. The international standard for a basketball game is 4 rounds. Each round is 10 minutes, 4 x 10 minutes, with a 10-minute break. Meanwhile, the NBA competition uses a format of 12 minutes per round. To understand the meaning of basketball, you of course have to understand the position of players. The main position in the game of basketball are divided into 3 parts. The first is the forward, whose job is to score as many points as possible into the opponents. Second is defense, tasked with preventing the opponent from scoring points. The third is playmaker, tasked with designing strategies and setting to the tempo of the game. The meaning of basketball must be understood along with the rules. The following are the basic rules of the game of basketball. First, players can throw the ball from any direction using one or both hands. 2. Players may not throw while holding the ball. The ball must be thrown at the point where the player receives the ball. 3. The ball must be held either in or between the palms. 4. Players are not allowed to tackle opposing player in any way. The act of tripping an opponent can be subject to serious sanctions. 5. If one the player make a mistake 3 times in a row, the mistake will be counted as a point for the opponent. This point, if the ball is thrown out of the playing area, the first player who touches it has the right to play it first. 7. The game is 4 quarters long, it's lasting 10 minutes. 8. The team that successfully puts the ball into the ring with the most points is declared the winner. Following are the benefits of basketball for the body. First, train body muscle. The game of basketball can train the body muscle because the sport can move all the body organs intensely. Second, increase immunity and maintain body resistance. Not only fruit can optimize the body's immune system, but basketball can also do this. 3. But balance on body coordination. Playing basketball is a sport that involves the hand, feet, and eyes working together. For improved motor skill, each player must move almost all parts of the body, which is the core of this sport, so that I can improve motor nerves. 5. From the ideal body. That's all my explanation. The conclusion is that basketball the most popular sport in Indonesia and the world.